how to remove category label on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So have you switched to professional dashboard and put on a category label that shows on your bio but you want to remove it? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your Instagram app, go to your profile in the bottom right corner, and then as you can see, there is personal blog category on my profile. Now to remove it, you need to go to edit profile, and then you'll need to scroll down and go to category option on the profile information. And then you can see display on profile is toggled on. You need to tap on it and toggle it off and hit done. And now you can see that the category has been removed from your profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.